Hey there! Today we have an exciting tutorial on how to integrate other apps with Canva. So let's jump right into it. The first step is to open the Canva app and wait for the main screen to load. Right after, look for the hamburger menu located at the upper left corner on the screen. Tap on it. Within the menu you'll find an option called Discover Apps in the middle of the list. Tap on it. For this example, let's integrate Instagram. So type Instagram in the search bar. You can choose either a blank project or an existing one. A window will pop up asking for your confirmation to connect and use service between Canva and Instagram. So click on Connect, proceed. Follow the next step by filling the required information. And that's it. Your account are now linked, so you have the permission to use design from Canva within Instagram. Take notes that this method can be done to any other service like Google Photos, Google Drive, YouTube Pixels, Google Maps, and the list goes on. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.